Yeah. Hello, my name's Samantha. I'm from London in England and I've been teaching at MPTC for the last 3 months doing a TEFL course. Yeah, it's been so lovely. The team have been so supportive. It's been really nice to have 2 different classes and teaching the different levels of English to both of those classes. And yeah, it's been good. Yeah, I've really enjoyed the TEFL program. I wasn't really sure what to expect because back home I'm a history teacher. It was my first time teaching English as a foreign language. But I've enjoyed having the teaching at MPTC and then also teaching at Vision Valley. Getting 2 different experiences. And as part of my TEFL program, I've been able to do French lessons on Saturday mornings, which has been good fun as well. Yeah, I've enjoyed the program.
Okay, so what's the...
Yeah, I would encourage anyone to do it. It's amazing doing it here in Madagascar, and as I said, the team are so nice. Everyone is lovely. The colleagues are really nice. I've seen so much. I've met so many people. Students have been lovely as well. They're really nice to teach. It's good. Thank you.